So we start off today's video with this haircut transformation. Looks like she's going to be getting a pixie with this one. Absolutely gorgeous, and this is also one of the hottest trends that we're seeing, the asymmetrical style pixie. Wow, I love the choppy texture within this. This is so beautiful. Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. If you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we're going to be checking out some more hair transformations. So here we have someone getting a bob haircut. Beautiful jaw length style bob. Classic overall look and shape. Very nice, and her hair looks so thick and full, especially now that he's given it a little bit of texture with the curl. So then we move on to the next hair transformation. So it looks like he's just kind of cleaning things up, cutting it into this beautiful bob shape. Oh, he actually ended up doing more like a pixie bob. Very nice. Then we have someone getting some color done. So if you guys do feel inspired by any of these hairstyle ideas within today's video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. So he's going to be doing a longer bob for this particular haircut. This is also known as a lob. Adding in some bangs. Oh wow, this is really nice. I really like the color that he did too. Kind of like an ombre with the brown and the ginger tone. And then we have this angled bob. Very pretty. This is definitely a dramatic angle. Very long in the front, short in the back. Next up, we have another long to short transformation. Hair is placed in a ponytail. Nice shoulder length bob once again. And then we have a layered haircut. Now you guys already know, if you follow this channel, layered haircuts are going to be huge this season, and we're seeing many variations of this particular look and trend. So I think the stylist is doing more of like a layered bob style. Oh, very nice. Now this really allowed for a lot of body and movement. Gorgeous. And then we have this stunning pixie. Alright you guys, I hope you enjoyed checking out all of the hairstyles featured within today's video. If you did, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will of course see you next time.